Hello my dear children, once again welcome back to the class. And in the previous class we have finished the exercise A from the page number 128, and today's topic is the next one, that is shopping. Okay, so this is also, you can see a exercise below here. So this is a shopping. Okay, so here you can read, children, given below are some objects along with their price. If we go shopping, we need to pay a money to purchase some things, isn't it? Without the money, we can't purchase anything. So here also you can see some objects are there. So they have given the price of that objects, right? So here you can see a chocolate for ₹1 and football for ₹50, and this is ink pen for ₹25, and this is apple for ₹5, and this is a doll ₹20, and this is teddy bear for ₹50, and this is ball pen for ₹10, and this is a whistle ₹1. Okay, so these are the objects with their price. So here you have to write the price of the two items shown and calculate their total amount. So calculate total amount means you have to add the total amount of these objects. Okay, so here you can see, children, first example they have given already. So you can see here doll and a football. So can you tell me what is the price of doll? ₹20. Here it is, ₹20, isn't it? Now the price of the football, that is ₹50. So we need to write like this. After that we need to add 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 5 plus 2, 5 in the mind, 2 in the hand, 5 after 6, 7. That means total ₹70. So the total amount of this object, that is doll and football, is ₹70. Okay, did you get, children? Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, so here you can see a ball pen and apple. So can you tell me the price of ball pen, children? Yes, ₹10. So we need to write in a first box, that is ₹10. There should be a distance between rupees and the digit. Okay, so don't write together, right? Now, so the price of apple, ₹5. So this symbol you have to write below itself, children. So and ₹5 you have to write here. Okay, next. Now we need to add this number. Okay, children? Yes. 0 plus 5 is 5. So place value is very important, children. You have learnt about this. So kindly follow that. Okay, now come to the tens place. There is only 1 is there. Is it any digit is there below 10, children? I mean below 1? No. So in a tens place there is only 1. So that means we have to write as it is 1. Right? And very important is we have to write the symbol of rupees. Now the total amount of these two objects is ₹15. Right? Now let's move to the next one, that is whistle and teddy bear. So can you tell me the price of whistle, children? ₹1. Write here ₹1, and the price of teddy bear ₹50. Okay, so this is a ones place and this is tens place. Now let us calculate these two. Now in a ones place there is 1 and 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. And in the 10 place how much is there? We have only one digit, that is 5. So we need to write as it is 5. And very important is we need to write a symbol of rupees. So the total amount of these two objects are ₹51. Okay. Now let's move to the next one, that is chocolate and ink pen. So what is the price of chocolate? ₹1. Let's write here ₹1. And what is the price of ink pen? rupees 25. So write it rupees 25. Okay, so this is a ones place and this is tens place. Now add this. 5 plus 1 is 6. And here in a tens place there is only one number, that is 2. So the total amount is rupees 26. Okay, rupees 26 is the total amount of these two objects. Right, children? Yes. And the next one is, yes, football and whistle. Okay, so football and whistle. So can you tell me the price of football? That is 50 rupees. And what is the price of whistle? That is rupees 1. So I'll give you these two as a homework. So you need to find out in your textbook itself. Okay, so write here rupees 50 and plus rupees 1 and add the total amount. And the next one, teddy bear and chocolate. So as you all know, what is the price of teddy bear? Rupees 50. So write here rupees 50 and the amount of chocolate rupees 1. So write in the next box rupees 1 and find out the total amount of these two objects. Okay, so these two is your homework. So complete the homework in your textbook itself. Okay, so today's class I am going to end here itself. So see you in the next class. Take care and bye bye. Thank you.